So, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking approach based expense analysis system using it. We are going to analyze expense system of using Python by design thinking based approach. Can you say what is meant by expense? Yeah, what is meant by expense?
Anything if you're buying something, then the amount of money going as expense.
Can you be louder?
If you're buying a product, then the amount of money spent on it is called as expense.
Expense. Okay. Okay. Next, what all the user can empathize in it. For example, they don't know where the money is. They conventionally they don't know where the money is going. Next, they are unable to satisfy or classify on what basis the money is going. Next, there's no easy tool to analyze it. So if you are a person, if you are a salaried person, if you want to have a tool, means what are the basic thing you need in the tool?
To track the amount.
To track the amount where it is been going. Finished? That is in which part we have to spend more amount, that is you need to analyze the thing. For this we need a term called tool or automation software we need a tool, that is you are going to develop using the term called Python. That's so we have finally thing. We have a simple Python basic tool that tracks the expenses. What are the expenses we made, you are going to track it. Next you are going to classify into categories. We are going to classify them into which categories. Next we are going to visualize the spending. Next we are going to have an insight. That's when you have over budget alert or low budget alert, you are going to have an insight. Based of this expertise will be a defined thing. A definition says that a problem statement. A problem statement user needs a way to track and analyze the spending habits so that they can manage the money in a better way and avoid overspending. This is called your defined statement. Next you have ideate. What more can be done using Python for this ideate?
Like collecting the data of
We are collecting the data in the form of Excel. We are going to give the data in the form of CSV, that is comma separated value. We are going to give in the Python programming. Next, we are going to auto categorize using the keywords, or we are going to use machine language to auto categorize of the thing. Next, what we can do? We can have a monthly breakdowns. We have a monthly spending breakdown, that is with the week breakdowns, or in case if it is excess or if it is lower, we can able to identify. Next, what we can do? We will be using pie chart or bar chart for visualization technique. Next, we have warning. We will be having a warning if you have over budget time. That is, ID will be have features. That is nothing but you will be having input CSV file or manual entry will be there. Next, we will have auto categories of keywords using ML. Then we have next we have monthly spending breakdowns. We have monthly spending breakdowns. So we will have pie chart, bar graph or visualization technique will be there. Next we have warning or budget terms. Next we have prototype. Prototype will be will be using the term called pandas. We will be using matplotlib for a visualization tool. So we will have Python simple code so that it gets the data and it manipulates everything and it gives process data. Next, okay. Then what will be there after prototype? What will be there? Testing will be there. What will be testing? What in testing what will be doing?
we should analyze that app tracking app, and then we should check that.
Okay. After checking, what will you have?
We should test whether the transaction value is correctly displayed.
Or transaction is correctly
We should check where it is currently working or not.
Currently working, that we will be able to check it. After checking, what will you have? What is the basic purpose of checking?
Currently working or not.
We will be having a feedback. Okay, if I give the product, you are going to say check and what will be giving return to me? I will be giving the return feedback that somebody it is proper testing or not, or you will be suggesting some changes, or you ask to incorporate this in base will be have a feedback. That is will be sharing the tool with the user. The user will in return what the user gives, the user will be giving the feedback, or will be collecting the feedback. Based upon the feedback, we will incorporate the feedback in our tool, so that the tool will get in work properly. Yes. This is what we have a testing tool. Okay. Next we have a possible enhancement. The possible enhancement consisting of add budget per category, We'll be having NLP tools to classify from free text input. We'll be having a GUI based, we are using Steamint or Tinkler. We'll have export reports on, yes, we'll be at final we have export report in PDF or Excel. So with this, we'll be saying a DT based expense system using Python. I will clear it.
Yes.
Thank you.